Yes, hi, hello everyone. I am Anupama. Mm, First, I want to say like, share, comment, and subscribe to Deep Maths. Okay, let us go to the topic straight lines. Yes, straight lines. You know everyone straight lines is collection of points indefinitely extend both sides, right? Both sides, it's continuous in this way. That's why we put the arrow mark this side and this side. This means, this indicates it goes on like that, extending to infinity. We can't say the end point for that thing. Okay, and this is the basic geometrical shape which has no width, it has only length. Okay, so in polynomials and variables in equation, quadratic equations into variables and all, you have seen some equations like this. Say for example, 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, and 3p square plus 2p minus 6 equals to 0. Like this, you will see some equations, right? These equations first introduced because to understand the equations of the lines and all. For forming a line equation of a straight line. Okay, equation of a straight line is given by ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Here x and y are variables, means x and y are variables, means you can give any value for x and y. Okay, any value, any number for x and y. But a and b are constants. A, b and c. A, b and c are constants. Okay, in that particular equation. Okay, now if once draw the coordinate axis in the coordinate plane. These two are two straight lines. Okay, and I am taking one more line which is vertical. Vertical straight line. Non-vertical, sorry. Non-vertical straight line. Because vertical straight line is y-axis and horizontal line is x-axis. It is neither vertical nor horizontal. This is the slanting line, right? This is the slanting line. So what this slanting line will have? It will have some slope. It will have some slope. Okay. So how that slope? mm you have one equation using slope of the line. Equation based on slope and intercept. Intercept means what, ma? Intercept it means what? This is x-axis and this is y-axis, right? This point where it is cut the x-axis, this is called x-intercept. And where this line cuts the point y-axis, this is called y-intercept. Understood? So, based on the slope and intercept, there is an equation form, that is y is equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope, c is y-intercept. Okay? Equation based on slope and intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. This is the general equation, general form of the equation, general form of the equation of straight line. This equation is slope and intercept. Using slope and intercept, we formed this equation. Y equal to mx plus c, where m is slope and c is the y intercept. You understood what is x intercept, y intercept? The line cuts the x-axis. Where it cuts the x-axis, which point? That point is called the x-intercept. And where the y-axis it cuts, that point is called the y-intercept. Okay? Next, before I have drawn a vertical line, x, x dash, y, y dash. See, I have drawn a line previously like this, right? This is the non-vertical line, right? So, now if you observe, this line is making a positive side and angle theta. Yes, angle theta, which is given name tan theta. This is the slope, non-vertical line slope. Okay, tan theta. If line is horizontal, means, say for example, small one I am drawing. If line is horizontal, if line is horizontal means parallel to x-axis. This is one line. Take it this as L1. Okay. If a line is horizontal, then the slope, because here no angle is formed, it is parallel to x-axis. Here in this sense, no angle formed between x-axis and L1. So, what will be the slope? Slope is 0. Okay, slope is 0. Next, if the line is vertical, here I will draw. If the line is vertical, if the line is vertical, that means it is exactly 90 degrees. It is in right angle. It cuts the x-axis in right angle. So the tan theta means here this is 90 degree. This is the theta. Here theta equal to 90 degree. So tan tan 90 degree is equals to what, ma? Not defined. Not defined. Okay, understood? If a parallel line drawn for the x-axis, then it won't make any angle with x-axis. So the angle theta is equals to 0. So theta equals to 0. So tan theta means tan 0 is equals to 0. Okay. And for example, let us draw a figure. Okay. Okay. One more thing. This is general theta, and if you, this is again theta. From here to here it is y1. From here to here it is y2. So from here to here y2, here to here y1. This gap, what you will get in this gap? y2 minus y1. If you subtract y1 from y2, you will get the distance between y2 and y1. In the same way, the distance between x2 and x1, how you will get? X2 minus x1. If you do, you will get the distance between x1 and x2. Now, if a straight line is passing through, if a straight line is passing through two different points, x1 y1, x2 y2, slope is given, slope is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, slope means what? This is point here, this is point B. Okay, slope equals to y2 minus y1 by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Um, if you take this, okay, understood ma? This is slope. By using this formula, you can find the slope of the given line. Okay.